Here are some of the most significant impacts of digital marketing on businesses and brands. 1. Connecting to the target audience directly. Many digital marketing channels help you connect with your customers and potential clients via private messaging and one-to-one conversations. This is in contrast to offline marketing, where you have to spend a lot of money to place banners and ads. With digital marketing, potential customers can directly see your content since you can promote your brand in their inbox or social profiles. Naturally, small and medium-sized businesses are the biggest beneficiaries of digital marketing. For instance, social media marketing allows SMBs to promote products and services by interacting with the audience publicly or through direct messages. Therefore, 96% of small businesses use social media in their marketing strategy, plus about 90 million small businesses use Facebook services like pages, groups, and Facebook Messenger. 2. Evolution of brand transparency. Today, more than ever, consumers demand transparency from a business. Luckily, digital marketing makes it easier to be transparent and put forth the company's ethos. Here are some statistics that reinforce the importance of transparency in this age of digital marketing. A study found out that 98% of consumers are more likely to stick with a business that offers transparency. 66% of consumers consider transparency to be one of the most attractive qualities in a brand. 73% of consumers will be keen to pay more for a product that offers transparency. Customers are willing to recommend a brand to acquaintances if the brand is transparent. In fact, 31% of online buyers share something positive about the brands that exalt transparency. Digital marketers understand this and keep their audience informed with truthful and relevant information. 3. Creating a new class of influencers. Social media and video channels like TikTok and YouTube made it possible for ordinary people to become influencers. These online influencers have a niche follower base of their own and hold powers to sway your target audience to purchase your product. As a result, businesses don't have to pay millions to celebrities to endorse their products. They are now hiring micro-influencers to spread the word around and get people interested in their products. Influencers also add a dash of intimacy to a brand. Since they don't endorse one product outright, they are like friends who interact with their followers and recommend products in a personal way. That is why 70% of teenagers relate to niche influencers more than big celebrities. Even big brands are now leveraging these new influencers to persuade and engage customers. Instead of hiring big celebrities, DW hired micro-influencers to promote their watches. As a result, DW is one of the most recognized brands with revenue of around $220 million as of 2015. 4. Businesses started to take a more personalized approach. Digital marketing offers a need for authenticity and a human approach to marketing. Here are some quick statistics to show the importance of a personalized approach. 79% of clients only engage with customized offers that reflect past interactions they might have had with the brand. 63% of millennials, 58% of Gen Zs, and 46% of baby boomers are likely to share their personal details with a brand if they receive a personalized offer or discount. Today, both small and large businesses are trying to build customer trust first before pitching their products. For instance, Apple conducts live stream events on social media channels, resulting in millions of people supporting their product even before the launch. 5. Customers now expect instant results. Online buyers are impatient and they want fast information and results. And with so many options available, they might abandon your landing page if it doesn't appear right away. Studies indicate that a 100 millisecond delay in site load time can reduce your conversion rate by 7%. Moreover, millions of mobile users look for products on various e-commerce sites and make instant decisions. Studies indicate that 70% of smartphone users take action within an hour. Thus, it is equally essential to deliver fast results as relevant or valuable content. 6. Understanding customers better. Digital marketing allows businesses to gain an incredible amount of knowledge about their customers. Understanding customers better can help businesses optimize the customer experience, gain new customers, and foster customer loyalty. According to statistics, 56% of customers stay loyal to brands who understand them better. Luckily, there are plenty of data visualization tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Audience Insights, and Zoho Analytics to get in-depth insights about your targeted audience. As opposed to traditional marketing, digital marketing provides format comprehensive reports with exact numbers. Thus, businesses can determine how their strategies are performing and what they need to adapt before better results. Since they get measurable results, business owners can streamline their process and put more effort into the areas that are providing desirable results. Advantages of digital marketing. Digital marketing is crucial today, regardless of the type of business you own. It has many different benefits, including it's cost-effective, allow one-to-one communication, improves customer service, enables businesses to target specific customers, achieves high conversion rates, allows companies to use new marketing channels, create and automate multi-channel marketing. Let's dig into some of the significant advantages of digital marketing one by one. 1. Low cost with higher returns. Cost efficiency is one of the most significant factors where digital marketing has an edge over traditional marketing. You can start with content marketing even on a shoestring budget. A business can't think about doing digital marketing without implementing a content marketing strategy. First, start your blog and post content once a week. Writing your blog post on your own will even save you a lot of money. As per statistics, 90% of organizations utilize content in their marketing efforts. Content marketing also costs 62% less than traditional marketing while generating about 3 times more leads. Like content marketing, businesses that employ email marketing also enjoy plenty of benefits at a low cost. Email marketing helps generate leads, sales, deliver targeted messages, boost revenue, create brand awareness, etc. Statistics show that email marketing has 4,200% ROI. That is $42 for every $1 spent. Before, many companies actively leverage email campaigns. According to a survey report by Adobe, 52% of companies say that email marketing is their primary communication tool. 2. Personalized communication. With the help of data analysis, digital marketing makes it easier to post personalized content and send out messages based on customers' threats. Personalized communication is key to making customers happy, engaging them personally, and driving sales. A Gartner survey shows the positive impact of personalization on customers. 62% of customers say the personalization helps them get a better deal. 49% believe that personalization is time-saving. 46% of respondents and 45% say that their purchase process got easier. 3. Earn customers' trust and build a brand reputation quickly. Offering high-quality products or services is not enough to gain your customers' trust, especially if you are a new business. However, digital marketing can help you build customers' trust quickly if you take advantages of the right channel. For instance, you can use social proof to convince a customer to purchase a product or services. Your social proof can be social media followers, blog posts, endorsement by an influencer or celebrity, and customer reviews. Such type of social proof not only popularize your brand but also generates more quality leads and increase sales. Today, customers read at least 10 customer reviews before purchasing a product. Moreover, customer testimonials are likely to increase your conversion rate by 34%. 4. Better customer service. Customers will be more willing to buy from you if you provide superior customer service. A study found that buyers are willing to spend 17% more on brands that offer outstanding customer service. Another reports that 78% of consumers are likely to back out of purchase due to a poor customer experience. Digital marketing can boost customer service to a large extent. You can utilize social media platforms and chatbots to communicate with your audience in real time and solve issues quickly. Plus, you can implement self-service and automation to support increasing customer demands. Self-service makes it easier for customers to solve their service issues on their own. Here are some eye-opening stats that show the importance of automated self-service. According to a report, 73% of customers wish to solve issues on their own while shopping. 70% of customers expect businesses to include a self-service application on their site. More than 60% of US consumers prefer an automated self-service for simple customer service tasks. 5. Rank higher in search engines. Your business's blogs or pages can get high search engine ranking and readership by implementing the right content marketing and SEO strategy. For example, you can target long-tail keywords and topics likely to be searched by your customers. It's equally important to post good quality and relevant content. Businesses are also turning to voice search optimization. In fact, it is slated to be one of the next big things in the digital marketing industry. Studies estimate estimated that in 2020, 50% of all voice searches will be conducted via voice search. And why not? Voice search is more convenient for certain searches at home or on the go, and you can use it to research products and local businesses. 6. Measure marketing campaign results. A significant benefit of a digital marketing strategy is the ability to measure your marketing results. When you conduct marketing campaigns, each campaign has a tracking system. You can track results and check whether your efforts are paying off or not. Whether you're running a social media campaign, email campaign, or search engine optimization campaign. For instance, tools like Google Analytics enable you to monitor your SEO performance by tracking key metrics like impressions, clicks, shares, comments, conversions, etc. You can thus improve your campaigns and know what works for your business and what doesn't. Also, knowing how your campaign is performing while it's still running allows you to optimize it in between. 7. Target a specific audience. The ability to target specific audience online is another significant benefit of digital marketing. You can reach out to buyers who are specifically interested in your company's products or services without wasting time persuading looky-looks. Buyer persona can help you in this area. You can gather buyer personas from your contacts database using form fields, interviewing prospects and customers, advertising, etc. Once you collect these personas, you can use them to target potential customers. Finally, you can implement digital ads to target a specific audience to see better results. For instance, if you use Facebook, you can get extremely specific and define your audience by traits such as age, gender, interests, hobbies, occupation, etc. This narrows your focus and you spend your budget more effectively to acquire quality leads. 8. Improve as you go. With digital marketing, businesses can make changes as they go. You can also make changes whenever something is not working out as planned. For instance, you can tweak pay-per-click campaigns, optimize SEO campaigns, or modify content whenever required to drive the best results. And if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to this channel so that we can keep producing more educative videos like this one.